Hello from this potato head. सबसे पहले तो इनका इस्तकबाल कीजिए. Anyway, so I know I don't do vlogs very often, but I'm going for a fun shoot today. So I thought I'll take you guys along because this might be something that you guys would enjoy. So let's go. Guys, I'm at the shoot location and as always I'm early, so we're just waiting for other bloggers to show up, bloggers, YouTubers, and it's going to be a super fun shoot. I'm actually really excited, and yeah, we'll first have iftar and then we'll shoot, but I'm here early. There's a little bit of a BTS of the set. It's still in making, but this is what we have so far. So we're getting ready for the vlog. It's a slumber party themed shoot, and this is my outfit. My PJs are so adorable. They're by Sweet Dreams. Actually having a slumber party. This is so cool. Okay guys, so we are in middle of the shoot and say hi. So we are shooting for a skincare brand which will be revealed soon. From behind the scenes, guys. This house is so beautiful. So this shoot was for Freeman Beauty, and you can watch the full video on Fash Rebels channel. So guys, we're finally done with the shoot. It's back up. Yay!